In this video, I'm going to show you signs of the top of the market. You're going to want to watch this to the end because it's going to save your butt. First, I have some really interesting news here that Bitcoin has a larger market cap than the top 3 banks in the world combined. That includes JP Morgan, which is worth $684 billion, Bank of America worth $356 billion, and I see Bank of China, $280 billion. So what is the market cap of Bitcoin? It's over $1.9 trillion right now. So here's some really interesting news as well. Bitcoin is the 7th most valuable asset in the world that will soon overtake Google and Amazon. Man, there's nothing going to stop this trade. It's going to be the most valuable asset in the world. In fact, it is the most valuable asset in the world because it's global, it's permissionless, it's decentralized, it's immutable, and it's hard capped. So please tell me a better asset than that. Exactly, you can't. So moving on, we also have Ethereum, which is down 60% against Bitcoin since 2021. Now, this is really interesting. As I've been saying for a while, you're gonna notice that Bitcoin is going to suck all the liquidity away from all the alts. This is exactly what is happening. On learningcrypto.com, we cover this time and time again. I've warned everyone that, hey, don't expect alt season yet. Wait till Bitcoin is going to pass $100,000. Chill out a little bit, and then alts will run harder than you can imagine. So all these influencers out there that say, oh yeah, we're gonna have alt season right now, and they're frustrated or whatever because it's not happening. Guys, this is what should be expected, okay? This is the 4th cycle that I've seen where it plays out perfectly like this. So just relax, enjoy the show. Guys, we've been buying since under $20,000 of the last bear market. That was our most recent giant buy. But was under 20,000 when FTX went down. And so we get to enjoy ourselves. You know, we bought alts right after that. Perfect. It's going to be fine. Now, also what's interesting, I'm getting more and more calls from different people, from people that I haven't even heard of for a very long time, asking me what coins should I buy now? This is very typical. And as you can see in this chart, this is a Google chart of people searching out Bitcoin. You can see that it is spiking up hard. These are signs, very small signs of the time to start thinking about taking profits when these things happen, okay? I'm not saying right now, we're not taking profits right now. If you do want to check us out on when we're going to be taking profits, learningcrypto.com, but not yet. So moving on, we also have this guy from Edgy, DeFi Edge, says, you make 80% of your gains in the last part of the cycle, but your greed will prevent you from keeping it. As I discussed yesterday, is that when you keep hearing people saying these ridiculous price targets, and these are big people like just being proud of the price, it's going to go up forever, that's when it's probably time to start thinking about taking profits. Not saying to take profits now, but it's time to start thinking about it. Follow your own investment plan and make sure you have proper profit-taking strategies. Otherwise, you're screwed. You will not make money in this bull market. Okay, so lastly, I want to discuss Microstrategies, the stock, MSTR. So I came across this. I thought, oh, that's a really interesting graph. Check this graph out. So look what it did back in year 2000. It crashed hardcore. That was during pretty much the internet boom. But look what the price has done since then. So here's this guy on Twitter. He says, Microstrategy MSTR is going to crash hard just like it did in year 2000. Here's a couple of the comments right now. I'm going to explain to you why this is so important and why you need to keep an eye on this. I didn't think it was that simple, ... sarcasm. Another guy, any skin in the game? I didn't think so. Another guy, you're free to open a short position. Another guy, this is great. Keep up the great FUD, buying more MSTR tomorrow. Another one, put your money where your mouth is then. This is the prideful attitude that I see near the top of markets. Bitcoin is in a cycle. We will experience bull markets and bear markets. Yes, we will experience a bear market again. I don't care what any goofball on Twitter or YouTube tells you. Yes, they are goofballs if they don't understand that we go through bear markets. So you tell me what's going to happen to MicroStrategy stock once the bear market does happen, because that's going to be very interesting. I'm up for people. I want to hear what your thoughts are on this because that is going to be a huge discussion later on. Anyways, like and subscribe. Enjoy your view of Venice.